Kia ora whānau. Te wero toru, round 3, is the Whare Nui Challenge. My Whare Nui that I tie to is in Ōwhata, Hinamore Point. The marae is called, the Whare Nui, it's called Te Tanakai, and the Whare Kai is called Hinamore. The main tribe that I tied to is Ngāti Whakaue through my koro, Haora Rātana, my mum's a Rātana. So I'm pretty much a direct descendant to Hinamore and Te Tanakai. And outside our marae is there's a rock there. It's where Hinamore heard the kuauau of Te Tanakai from across the waters of across the lake. He was on the island of McCoy Island. Yeah. So just that's just a quick thing from me. Just last one was a bit long. So I'll just do a quick waiata and yeah. Pokarekare ana ngā waiata torua whiti atu koe hine marino ana e hine e hoki maira ka mate ahau I te aroha e ka mate ahau I te aroha e. Kia ora.